everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on rainy season. The rainy season is a time when it rains a lot and makes everything fresh and green. It usually comes after the hot summer and brings cooler weather. During this season, we need umbrellas and raincoats to stay dry. Puddles form everywhere and kids love to splash and play in them. Rain helps plants and crops grow, making it important for farmers. You might see rainbows in the sky after a rain shower. Frogs come out and you can hear them croaking loudly. People enjoy hot drinks and snacks while watching the rain. Thunder and lightning can happen during heavy rainstorms. The rainy season is a time for fun and enjoying nature's beauty. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.